Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. Hopefully I didn't come in too early with that and cut off my front. But alright, we've had a shower, we've had a long day. I was at work pert near 13 and a half hours. Yeah, pert near. I said it, pert near. So we got a good shave. It's not as matchy-matchy as I've been doing lately, but sometimes you just want to shave with what you want to shave with. You know what I'm saying? So, I've been wanting to use some Maddie soap. Someone hit me up for a tub. I was like, yeah, let me do that. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to use some Maddie soap because I haven't used it in a while and I enjoy Maddie soap. Like, I really do. It was a daily driver for a long time. Oh, so we're going with the lemon lime scent. The lemon lime, man. It's like a nice key lime pie to me. And that's awesome. I know it's been like 15, 17 degrees today and whatever. It's not lemon meringue pie time with that kind of weather in my opinion, but it's a lovely scent. Can't wait to use it. We are going to use the boar brush. We've got an Omega boar knot in here, and this is a Frank Stromberg design. Maddie turned it. Frank designed the handle, and as Frank would say, he was pretty chuffed at the results. So, yeah. I believe that's how we would say it. It's the right way to say it. But there we go. Got a good, nice lather. I'll probably paint in some water here in a second. I did leave some soap in the bottom of the bowl. Y'all see that little like white at the very middle? That is the soap that didn't get incorporated because I forget how damn thirsty this shit is. And it blows up real well. So, like, I mean, it's easy to lather. Latherability on this is bomb. The lemon lime is great. I enjoy the Ecto Cooler. And Harry Wong right now. You know what? I've got one citrus freeze left. If no one hits me up by the next time I use a Maddie soap, I'm going to use citrus freeze myself. I need to contact Maddie because I want that DK Arctic Freeze other MFers are using on YouTube. You know, I'm so behind, man. Work's crazy. I just told y'all 13 and a half hours at work today. And, not 13, pert near. And, man, when I fall behind on Johan and Maddie videos and stuff, people that really know me know something's up, man. You know, they even made a song called European Love for me about Maddie and Chris Maiden. I say Chris Maiden doesn't count as European anymore. He is officially Australian at this point. But yeah, there's a lot of names he lists on there. I do like my European guys, what can I say? They're nice guys. So, nice. I'm loving it, guys. Did I not show this? I apologize. We've got the double open comb, stainless steel. And I put the teal tip on because I like the teal. It's kind of sexy. Got into BBS Live for a little bit today. Wasn't there long, guys. I needed to shower, get this shave in, hopefully get it edited and everything while I'm laying in bed. We'll get it edited, get it uploaded hopefully, get all the links up for anything and everything, because I'm trying to be better, guys. I want everything to have links. Affiliate or not, doesn't matter. It's something I appreciate, you know, when I watch other people, or at least when I was newer watching other people. Nowadays I can find stuff, but like if you're new, if you're not like talking to everybody, you don't always know where to find everything, and sometimes Google's a bitch, you know? Yeah. Whip it up. Whip it up, whip it up. Anyways, I'm excited. We're going to have pretty much, it's almost an all Swedish shave. You know what I should have busted out? I should have busted out a CV Helgerstrand, and then we'd have been set, right? or at least like some DE blades that were made from Swedish steel. And then we could have been good to go. All right, this is looking good. Still gonna paint in just a little bit of water. Paint in a little bit of water. Maybe we'll splay this time, splay. Work it out. Nice. Very nice. Feels good, smells good. It smells great. I enjoy this scent. It's, like I said, for the Maddie soaps, one of my favorite. But I do want the DK Arctic Freeze. I need to hit him up, need to respond to comments. Hopefully we'll get that done today while video's uploading. Have a good time. Oh man, look at that. I mean, I like the sheen, I like the thickness. I know you can kind of see the skin a little, but overall, very happy with this lather. I lazily did it tonight. Because sometimes you're just lazy. At least I am. It's a good feeling razor. I think it's just a nice, comfortable shave. Using a little bit more buffing today. I do think it's been 48 hours since last shave. Oh yeah. Tried to curve along with the goatee there. There we go. Very nice. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff. Oh yeah. The smell, man. It's really nice. Like I kind of wish I had one of those key lime pie pieces. You know where they do slices of the pie? You can buy the individual slices, like 2 slices in a pack. I don't remember how much they are. They're not Marie Callender. I can't remember the name. But they're good. I want one now. But all right, guys, we're going to rinse up. You know the drill, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, and we are back. Boom. Hega Upsala. That was to match the tip. That's the most matchy-matchy. I should have gone toxic green to match the label, but I prefer the Upsala. Someone asked me, they sent me a DM asking if I knew where to find this, where they don't have to pay a ton for shipping. If I find it tonight, it'll be in this video. I told the guy that Maddie, I told him Maddie sent it to me, but Johan sent me some, so, you know. Oh, here's another thing. If you're a heavy splash guy, like you like to apply it liberally like I do, don't overdo it with the Hega. It'll get tacky. That's from personal experience. I was told that's probably because of the potato starch that's in the ingredients. And this even says it has alcohol in it, but you don't feel it burn. Like it's water, alcohol, glycerin, potato starch, and parfum, and then hydrogenated castor oil, bunch of stuff. Ooh, I think this says linalool. And if I actually looked this up today, linalool is a floral, I believe, that has a soapy scent to like 25 to 30% of the population, and to everybody else it comes off citrusy. Whoa! This is kind of soapy to me. I wonder, if you have Upsala, people, is it citrusy or soapy to you? That's what I want to know, because it's soapy to me. And it says it's citrus and cedarwood is the scent. But it comes off kind of soapy. All right. This was second use, PAA, Platinum Strangelet, if I didn't say. And Frank Stromberg design, Maddie Lindholm turned brush with an Omega boar knot. Now, guys, when I mention people, I try to remember who I mentioned, and I at them in the comment, in the description below, or I've tried to do it with Frank, but I can't at him. I've tried, and I can't find it. So I'll just link his channel. But generally, if I mention somebody and you're curious to who I'm talking about, their channel will be in the link below. Alrighty, guys. Y'all have a wonderful weekend. We'll see if I get another video up out by Monday. All right? See you later.